Greetings friends, I'm geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. This will be how to use a shaving mug 101. If you're using a shaving soap puck, just press fit the puck down into the mug. Press it down in there till it's locked in place. If your puck is too big, take a knife or a cheese grater, slice around the edges till it fits properly. Take those remnants that are left over, press fit those down around the perimeter, and that will lock the puck in place. Like this one, after several uses, it will lock itself in place. It won't go anywhere. It will not come flying out. It will not spin around. All you need to do with this situation, with a hard shaving soap, get yourself a good brush. This is the Pro Mega brush, Parasso Omega brush. It's a boar brush, great for hard soaps. A little hot water on top. Just let that sit and soak into the soap. It's called blooming the soap. While you get your shaving equipment ready for your shave. When you're ready to shave, pour out the water. Grab your brush, wet the brush under the water, swirl it in the soap until you load the tips. Apply that shaving soap to your face. You can paint it, you can dab it, you can swirl it, figure eight, infinity maneuver, whatever you prefer. It's your Zen moment, do it however you want. That's with a hard soap. If you're using a shaving cream, such as this, it's a softer cream, your mug will be empty. You can see the mug has little ridges at the bottom. Take your scrape spoon, scoop out about that much. Doesn't take very much. Just drop that, get it down to the bottom like so. Take your said shaving brush, wet it under the hot water, start swirling, and you'll generate lather that way. If you have a shaving cream that's in a tube, such as this Parasso, remove the cap, fill it with hot water. And if you're using this type of soap, same way. Fill the mug with hot water first, let that soak, let that warm the stone until you're ready to get your shave on. Then you're going to pour out that water, drop a little bit in, just that much, doesn't take much. Then grab your brush under the hot water, give it a couple shakes, just get in there and start swirling. Your goal is just to load the tips with the shaving soap. And then you can apply that directly to your face and face lather, which I will do right now. Load the tips directly to the face, dabbing, painting, swirling. As I said, however you want to do it, just coat all the areas you intend to shave. Work it into the beard. This will hydrate, elevate, prepare that beard for a proper shave. If you like your cream a little bit more watery, then just a little bit of water into the tip of the brush and lather that in. Figure eight, the Zen moment. Smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runaways so you can see your sideburns. It's your Zen moment. Do it however you want.